Hi, this is Prasanna. Today we are doing the first lab experiment in system software and compiler. Here we can see the first experiment is token separation. Token separation is a sequence of characters with the collective meaning. Collective means like punctuations, operators, constants, and numbers. Here we can see the first question is write a program to perform the token separation for the given subset of the language. Here we will see the input would be a high level language and the output should be in the token in the form of the keywords, punctuations, identifiers, and numbers. Now coming to the code, here we can see the code for the first program. Here we can see a creating the strings for string arrays for the punctuations, for the operators, for the numbers, and for the constants. Here we will do the input for the given keyword. Here the input keyword is given through here, and once the given input is given, it is compared to the given in the loop. It is compared with the keyword. Once it has compared, it will display the output. If it is not matched, it will go to the other loop. Here which is compared with the special symbols. Once the keyword is matched with the special symbols, it will display special symbols. Or once it was not matched, it will go to the second loop, another loop, which will search for search for the operators. Which is compared for compare it for the keyword is compared with the operators. Once the compared with the operators, here if it was matched, then it will be displayed. If not, it will go for the another loop for the numbers. Here the keyword is matched with the compared with the numbers, and once the numbers are matched, when the keyword is matched with the numbers, then it will display the numbers. It will go for other. If not, it will the break statement follows, and it will go to the other loop. And here it is compared with the keyword is compared with the identifiers. Here we can see the code with which we have the identification with them, which we have inputted before in this string arrays, which we have already given to the program, like punctuations, identifiers, numbers, symbols, special identifiers. Once we run the program, here we can see we enter the size of the snippet, which is 5, and enter the snippets, which is A, comma, 2, 3. Here we can see the keyword is the input. It is compared first. It will compare with the input, and next it will matches for the identifier. Whether the given here is the A is the identifier, and the special symbols, which we can see that these two are the special symbols, and it compared with the numbers. This is how the first experiment is done. Here we can see which the tokens are for the given subset of language. Now coming to the second one, write a program to count the tokens in the given source program. To count the number of tokens in the given source program in the same manner as in the same manner like the first one. Here we can see the program in the same which sorry. Here we can see the first program. This is just like the first program. Here we can see the arrows with the punctuations, with the string operations, and the numbers and the constants. Here we can the input is given here which we can through input here, and it will here we can the keyword is once the keyword is entered here. This you can see the keyword is compared with the keywords like number, like special symbols, and here you can count plus plus, which is counting the statement, counting the given operators, and once it was matched, the keyword is matched with the keyword, then it will display the keyword. If not, it will they will break statement will be followed. If it will match, if not, it will go for the other loop in the same manner like last experiment. Here it is the keyword is compared with the special symbols, and it will also be counted. And once it was completed, then the break statement will be applicable, and it will display the special symbols. If not, it will go for the other loop, and here it will the keyword is compared with the operators in this, and it will be counted. And in this once if not the break statement applicable, and it will go for the next other loop. Here we can see for the numbers, and if not, it will be here we can see the int add for the length of the address of the tokens. Once the input is given, here it will in the same, and the keyword is compared with the identifiers. If it is matched, it will display the identifiers. If not, we can see the count number. Now if you run this file, here we can say the enter the size of the snippet like a last the snippet is int comma special characters and numbers. Here we can see the keyword is in, identifier is there, which special symbol and numbers. The count for the keyword, the count is 1. For the special symbols, here the count is 2, and the operas count is 0, which is 0 which we started, and the numbers count is 2. Here we can see the two numbers of the count which is there, and the identifiers count is 1. This is how the first experiment has completed. Here we can see the write the program to count the total numbers. This we have completed the first experiment. Thank you.